Jackson RC Aviation. You remember when you saw us at the hobby shop? Well, here's where you stop hitting buttons. Here's what we got here. The Turbo Timber Evolution 1.5 millimeter. How many timbers do you need? Stand by and we'll show you what's in the box.
Go ahead.
We are back. We have the wing. Ain't too bad though, you know what I mean?
The timber.
The Turbo Timber with flaps. Get your little slits, right?
Slap.
Slits.
Slap.
You got your thing that goes right into it. No more of that trying to fumble around and carrying on. Pretty neat. It's pretty nice. Huh?
Hmm?
What do you think? It's real solid. See that?
What?
Let's not spend all day. Alright, move on. Alright, set that there.
LEDs.
The slats, I'm not going to take them out. 2 carbon spars.
Metal spar.
Metal spar at that. What's up here? I think that's what you're doing.
Elevators.
Well, you still got the thing in here, right?
I got it under control.
Yeah, you got it under control. What we got here?
Elevators.
Elevators. Okay. We can deal with those. You have 2, right?
Let's see, you gotta look at the carbon like, see, look, you see through it.
Hold on. We move on. That stuff everywhere. Guess everything else is on the other side. Alright. We'll pause for a couple more seconds here. Alright. Are we back?
We back.
We are back. We're in a second hangar upstairs. Where we don't have a whole lot of room, but it is what it is. Of course, you got your manual. We'll look at that later. La la la.
Doobie.
Second wing's got the Timber Turbo Evolution.
Is that the left one?
That one there. Got lights. Everybody's already did one.
Check it out.
I wasn't gonna. We don't like doing unboxings, but what the hell? It ain't gonna hurt. You know. Pretty neat, huh?
Turbo timber.
That damn every timber there is. I don't know how many more timbers we need.
All of them.
Alright. Of course, we got the floats. I'm not gonna fool with them today. I'm not fooling with the floats today.
Oh, I gotta show them. You didn't show them.
We need to show them nothing.
You can show them.
Of course, you got some nice wheels. I'm gonna turn this around. As you can see, look over there, we got the F6T sitting there. Watch stuff. F16 is ready to go. Come on now.
They roll.
Spinner. It's right there.
Screws.
Whoop-de-doo. I want to thank you all for supporting our channel. Alright, another wheel. We'll work on that tomorrow. Shit over there.
Uh-oh. It's hooked in the front.
Hmm?
It's hooked in the front.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Why do you keep showing stuff way over there for?
No, I'm looking right here. Your camera's on this side. Oh, that side. There's nothing over there. To show.
One thing about it, they got everything all nice, taped up, dilly-dilly. A nice size 3 prop.
3 blade.
And of course the granddaddy of it all. Is of course what they call a fuselage.
The plane. You broke it.
Everything's pretty much a little loose, so we'll talk about that later. But this is the turbo timber.
Turbo timber.
Everything is already done. We got the AR 637TA, which is most of them now.
It is?
Pretty much. That I saw. It's in the same thing as that one. And as I was talking about, look here. Come up, look at this.
Look here.
Where your wings go into. See that? Alright. So anyway, that is that. Again, thank you for coming to Jackson RC Aviation. My son Mason and I, we tried to bring some of the planes to you. It's all about fun on this channel. Check us on Facebook. Hit the subscribe button. I don't know what else we can say. We say it all the time.
Hit the fire bell.
You know, we got planes. Like I said, we got the F-16 hadn't been made yet. We got the Carbon Z still sitting in the box right there.
8-power batteries.
We want to thank A-Power out of Goodyear, Arizona, Jason, for being a great sponsor of our channel. Over here in that box, the brown box, is the Draco. Hasn't been opened up yet. So we got some things going on. So,
try and get the word so they see it right.
so anyway, thanks for coming. And as soon as we get it built, we'll get it to the field. And of course, everybody's always worried. What is that thing called where the what do they call it, where you hit the button and it goes backwards and all that crazy shit? What do they call it? That's a new thing now. That's a new fad where you hit the button so the plane can go backwards.
They must be broke.
Yeah. Well, I ain't buying.
Oh, the Jake brake.
Is that the Jake brake?
Yeah, the Jake brake.
Yeah. Well, that's not the reason I bought it, but I guess that's the fad now. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon, and we'll see you at the field. Take care.